No idea what this is, but look at this thing. Like, holy shit. So we have to find a way to put a 16 SEER heat pump in here. The old unit is only, it focuses 115, so right away that's already an issue. This actually goes straight down into a return, so can't even move that unless we relocate the box, make a box. The 10 runs all the way down to the end there and actually goes into a box with no filter in it. So that is just messed up to begin with. But this is a old unit. Let's see what does that say. Look at that. R22, obviously. But yeah, this thing is ancient. You don't really see these too much, but this is like the original stuff. Like, there's your control. But yeah, we have this. We think this goes to some of the breakers here. That goes to the outdoor unit, but we have no idea because it's just a mess. It is a disaster. So most likely we're gonna try not to do this one, but of course he's a friend of the owner, so we have to figure out how to let him down easy. And then this insulation, man, oh my god, I'm coughing like a champ up here with this stuff. But yeah, because if we put our guy in, we have like 3 inches going into a T, and it's just not gonna work. The airflow is gonna be wonky and be all shitty. So unfortunately, this is one that you definitely want to run away from unless you try to do a whole new like relocation of the system over there. There's a whole bunch of crap, which I mean wouldn't be bad, but our company is like an hour away, so to drive back and forth would be a small shit show, especially with how everything is nowadays. So yeah, thought you guys might want to check this old relic out. Okay, so there is first return, no filter at all. It's just blank. So the other one is over here, which if you look at this, there's thermostat. Very, very old school. But there is the filter. And yeah, that is bad. So I'm gonna open that up and we're gonna take a peek and see how the return looks. Well, that is the filter. Look at all that dirt. That is fucking disgusting. Dear God. Alright, here we go. Let's dig it down. Ooh. Wow. My God. That is bad, man. That is bad. And there's our return. That is small. Wow. Okay. Alright, well, let's go back to the shop and write this one up.
Not a 1 inch, so it looks like the water is, I don't know why, but you're doing another, you're going to put in, replace the unit exactly where it sits?
Yeah, we'd probably adjust the bottom there if we can get the pad up. If not, we'll put our plastic pad down and then level that out. But it's not going to be through the wall there. It'd be popping out somewhere down there and then just running down with a piece of line hide.
Okay.
So that would essentially be...
We could follow that out if it's not what we need up there.
Yeah, so basically there'll be a new hole to run wire or anything we need out once we go ahead with that.
Right. Because the disconnect should really be to the side of the unit.
Yeah.
Not behind it.
Okay.
So so we're able to pull it if we need to.